Hi, my name's Scott. Welcome back to another RC product review. Today we are looking over the Hosim. Hopefully I said that right. The Hosim. It's got brushless motor, CVD metal drive shaft, and a bunch of other cool things. Let's go ahead, unbox it, show you guys what you get. This is the remote control. It's going to take 4 AA batteries. Pull to go forward, push up for braking, and to go reverse. Steering wheel is right on the side. You have front trim, center trim, left trim, steering, throttle, on and off. You have a manual, a bag, all your tools in here, extra pins, screwdriver, washers. You have your battery charger it is a USB charger. Now this is the RC truck itself. Go ahead and pull the pins out. There are 2 different colored bodies on here, so just go ahead and peel whichever one you like. Here we have the red, and here we have the pink. Inside here we have is this 2 batteries? Let's go ahead and look this over. Okay, so yeah, they give us 2 batteries. That's pretty awesome. 2600 mAh, 7.4 volts, 25C. Make sure you remove the plastic that is around the battery. There's also going to be plastic on the body itself that you can peel off. It gives a little label here to let you know how that works. This is what the truck looks like underneath. Very nice shocks. I'm very excited to test this out. Your on and off button is right here. Make sure you have the remote control turned on first, the controller, and then turn this on. Alright, so this is what it looks like. It has really nice front headlights, which I love. It has a cooling fan as well. Here's the motor. I love how the motor is suspended, so that helps keep it from overheating as fast. Really nice turn range. Let's go ahead and test drive it. So how powerful is it? Can it go through these weeds? And let me tell you, these are tall weeds. So there's the level. These weeds. Now can we go slow? Wow, that was incredible. That's even going slow. So tall grass is not a problem for this thing. As you can see, it goes very far. So you can drive this pretty far away. tall grass, medium grass, short grass, it doesn't matter. This thing is a monster.